I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Let's talk about the backup workflow that keeps your photos safe, whatever happens to your gear. A photo backup workflow is the routine that keeps your images safe from a failed drive, a lost laptop, or a mistaken delete. It is the least glamorous part of organization and the most important, because if the only copy is gone, no cataloging or tagging can bring it back. The standard to follow is the 3-2-1 rule. 3 copies of every photo, 2 different types of media, and 1 copy kept off-site. In practice, that is your working library, a local backup drive, and a cloud or off-site copy. 3 copies mean a single failure never leaves you with nothing. 2 types of media mean one fault cannot take them all. 1 off-site copy means a fire, flood, or theft cannot destroy everything at once. Then make it a routine. Import and do not format the card until the backup is done. Back up to a local drive automatically, send a copy off-site, and verify by opening a backup and confirming the files actually restore. Where does AI help? At the margins, flagging duplicates or corrupt files. The real protection is the photo backup workflow itself. Back up 3 copies, then organize with confidence. The full walkthrough is waiting at aiprophotography.com. Subscribe on YouTube and we'll catch you in the next one.